guys, so today I'm coming to you with a bunch of different toppers. At Boutique W, we love toppers. We love that third piece. We get a lot of questions on our videos and socials about length. I don't think I've ever really told you. I'm 5'2". I am about a size 8'10". I can go between a small and a medium in certain brands. You know, we always help you with sizes. But just to know, if you're using me as a frame of reference, I'm 5'2". So with that being said, toppers. The first one is this adorable Bodil topper. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can wear a buttoned as a dress. There are plenty more toppers in the store. This is just to show you that a topper comes in many shapes, sizes, and fabric. And you can do a lot of different things with them. Sleeveless, shrug, cocoon, kind of just goes around the back. Again, a topper can be worn as a dress. Here we have the slip dress underneath it. We'll show you a better version of that. Another topper, sometimes we call it shoulder shelter. Here is that slip being worn as a dress. This is adorable linen, light, wear it now, just over a cute little tank dress, unbuttoned. You're ready for dinner at the beach. Boho topper, lace. So there will be a collection on the website. There will be plenty more toppers in there. Questions on fit? We're only a phone call away.